Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Lenovo Tab M8 tablet. In case you have forgotten your pin code and the screen is locked, this will actually bypass and remove that pin code. It will also wipe everything else off the tablet. But if you're okay with that, we can get started. All you need to do is have your tablet turned off, and then you are going to press and hold the volume up, the volume down, and the power button simultaneously. And then as soon as the Lenovo logo appears on the screen, you can let go of the power button for a couple of seconds and then let go of the volume up, volume down buttons, and it will go into this recovery mode. You might have to try this a couple times as you have to get the timing just right on when you let go. So then using the volume buttons, we're going to toggle down to wipe data factory reset and hit the power button to select it. Then it's going to open this confirmation screen and we're going to toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm. Keeping in mind, as soon as you hit the power button here, there's no going back. It will wipe everything off your tablet, all your contacts, photos, apps, etc. And then once it goes through its wiping, then we can just click to reboot it. It will turn off and then turn on the way that it did when it came out of the box. You might just need to worry about the Google account. You might not have access to the Google account, but that is for a separate video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.